Yes, so eggshells actually do they do contain calcium. That's not incorrect. But what happens is that the calcium doesn't necessarily release into your plants as readily as you think it does. Even if you break them up, pulverize them, it's not going to be a true solution, especially if you're just taking, maybe a week's worth of eggshells or something and doing that. It would have to be a higher amount. They can provide up to, there's about 5% of organic matter in those eggshells, but that is part of that soft inner white skin.
Not the shell itself.
Right.
And if you just take the eggshell, crush it in your hand, throw it in the hole at the time of planting your tomatoes or eggplants or peppers, how long does it take for that eggshell that you've crushed in your hand to break down to even a minute usable form, Holly?
That would be anywhere from 1 year to 3 years.
So putting the eggshell at the hole at the time of planting your tomatoes, if you're planning to use that place in 3 years from now, you might maybe see a little bit possible benefit from that eggshell in 3 years.
Right. And it's not going to increase the calcium in your soil exponentially.